In this video, we will learn how to switch between two different edit modes, the visual editor and source editor. There are two ways to edit Wikipedia, source and visual editor. We'll be using visual editor in this course, but I'll show you how to switch between the two. If you've just created your account for this course, you should default to the visual editor, and you would have seen me using it in the previous videos where we edited our user page. To start, let's go to your sandbox. To get there, click on the person icon in the top right corner and click Sandbox. To edit, click Edit between Read and View History, and the visual editor should load. It will look just the same as the page or article itself, except for this menu at the top of the page with formatting options. But you might see a different screen. If you created your account, say 10 years ago, your account might default to the source editor that looks like this. It looks basically the same because my sandbox only has a bit of text on it, but for a more complicated Wikipedia article, it would look like this. Although it might not make sense initially, all of this code shows how a Wikipedia page will look. The double square brackets mean there's a link to another page or article on Wikipedia, while these equal signs mean there's a heading. One handy thing about Source Editor is the preview option. This will show you how your edits will look when you edit in Source Editor. You can select and unselect the preview screen by clicking Preview. I won't go too far into comparing the differences, so let me show you how to switch between the two editing views now. On both views, there will be a pencil icon near the right side of the screen. Click it and select Visual Editor to go to Visual Editor. Now click it again to go to Source Editor, like this. It's good to know how to move between these two options, as you might accidentally find yourself in Source Editor one day and need to go back. You can of course still use headings, bold, italics, add links and citations from within Source Editor, but it is much easier to understand in Visual Editor. Back on my sandbox, I'll show you again how to switch. I click Edit to begin editing, and then the pencil icon is there to switch between editing with Visual Editor or Source Editor. You can click Read to get out of the edit view without publishing any changes. Or if you made some edits you want to keep, click Publish Changes.